Hey traders, John Howell here. Gonna have to answer another question. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty, so let's actually get straight into another question here. And this question comes from Potterly777. Hey John, what are your thoughts on holding junior Australian gold mining stocks on a medium-term basis, 1 to 3 years, DRM and NST? For example, DRM just got smashed and it has and is at a decent price right now. Thanks in advance, brother. So let's actually go. Let me actually see if I can bring that up on my platform. So DRM. See if I can actually bring that up actually on my platform. I may not be able to. So DRM. Let me actually just go to, and I'll bring this up here, and let me just bring up my, this is all the different stocks analysis and stuff I look at. So, let me just go to, where are we at here? We're actually at this one here. So I'm going to bring up DRM on the Australian, DRM. Look up. Alright, so it's a penny stock. Let me just go to the actual chart itself. Interesting. Interesting. Let me actually bring this chart up through here. Let me just bring up a candlestick chart. And okay, my initial thoughts on this. Let's just go to bar chart here for a minute. My initial thoughts on this is that this is actually, so your question, what was your question there? So your question was, let's actually bring this here. Your question was, what are your thoughts on holding junior mine stocks 1 and 3 months basis, 1 3 years? DRM has, and NST, for example, DRM just got smashed and is at a decent price now. Thanks in advance, brother. Okay, cool. So looking at this chart here, oh, whoops. That's my charting platform. Looking at this chart here, the first thing I do say, and I do see, Pottery, is that I do see that the market's, it looks like the market's starting to top out a little bit here. So if I bring up, say, 6 months worth of data, I want to show you this here, okay? If you bring up this 6 months worth of data, it's to me, you're looking for a really good time to buy. And, you know, why do you want to buy these companies? Because they're fundamentally good or something like that. You still want a really good technical charting setup, right? A really good technical charting setup. Let's go to this long-term view, say 2 years worth of data again. And let me just bring up, say, a line chart. And this line chart just definitely says it all. Alright, so the thing about this line chart to me, and it scares the hell out of me about buying it right now, and I may be wrong and I could be wrong. But the thing is that this market's been going up and up and up and up. And that's when you've had the opportunity to get into this stock. So if you have a look at, say, this here, you can see how we've just been going, let's just go to a black here. You can see we've just been going up and up and up and up, and we've actually completely been going up. And you can see that if I bring up, you can see it actually started there. We've got a couple of bounces through there. We've got a bounce through there. We actually got a bounce through there. But look where we are right now. We actually got down towards that, what's that? 95 cents. So this is where we are right now. Notice we actually closed below it. Now, next thing I want to share with you is notice the peaks and troughs. So if you have a look at the peaks and troughs, you can see we had this higher peak, higher trough, and you can see we had like this little compressing pattern through here. Right there was the time to buy. And the market ran up, and what did we do? We actually created this higher trough, and then this higher peak, and then this higher trough. Now we've got this higher peak. What's this form now? This is a lower peak and now lower trough. This is This is now in a downtrend. So this actually, because it's been going on for a while, we could actually see this come back down, even back down towards the 60 cent level, which is this major support level area. It may not, it may run back up, but the charts are telling you, okay, we just made this lower peak, lower trough, and now we're broken down past support. There's nothing bullish there. There's nothing there saying that I'm getting ready to buy. Okay, so if you're looking to hold it 1 to 3 years, then wait for a really good another chart setup. It may take another couple of months, but wait for that really, really good chart setup like here, where you get like the compressing formation and you get that sort of action, and then suddenly you start to see it actually then starts to break out. That's a good pattern. That's a definitely good pattern, because so over a year it's actually compressing and then it breaks up and out. Makes sense? So no matter which company you're looking at, even if it's fundamentally good, make sure technically the charts are telling you that that's a good trade as well too. Right now, it's definitely breaking through, and to me, that does not look pretty. And right now, it's like 80-90% bearish and maybe a 10% bullish. 10% bullish because the overall movement is going up, so the buyers may hold into this and rally back up. But right now, looks like it's just formed a shoulder, head, right shoulder, breaking the neckline. So that tells me looks like we could actually get a lot more downside to come on this one. Be smart about the way that you're trading this market as well too. I hope that helps you out. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.